Are you looking for the best HVLP system? Here we will break down the top 7 HVLP system on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Wagner Spraytech 05188080 Control Spray Max HVLP Painter Stain Sprayer. The Wagner Spraytech's 2-stage turbine engine powers it through lengthy jobs and easily handles thick materials without complaint. With a variable air pressure between 1.50 and 2.63 psi, you can be sure that this model provides enough punch to optimally spread your coating without overspraying. Unlike many other HVLP paint sprayers, this model is even equipped with 2 large air filters that work to remove dust and debris from coatings, ensuring that it always dries smooth. The Wagner Spraytech provides an even deeper level of versatility with its 3 equipped spray patterns. These patterns can be chosen based upon coating viscosity, which itself can be tested on the appliance using the attached viscosity cup. The Wagner Spraytech's essential components are better built to suit their purpose in high-impact locations. However, if you want to step up to a higher volume of coating without adding extra weight, the Wagner Spraytech also comes standard with an additional 1.5 core plastic coating cup. At number 2. Fuji 2203G Semi-Pro 2. Semi-Pro 2 that features an all-inclusive kit to help you get that professional-like finish every time. It comes with a 400cc cut capacity and a power capacity of 1400 watt. With this unit, you can paint and stain all wooden fences, doors, cabinets, benches, and furniture, etc. The Semi-Pro 2 comes with a 1.3mm air gap that allows it to thin paints. The gun is also compatible with different painting substances like latex, varnishes, stains, etc. It features a dedicated fan control that lets you adjust the pattern size as per the needs. The Semi-Pro 2 is quite easy to disassemble, making it easier for you to clean the unit thoroughly after use. With this product, you'll not experience sticking, rusting, or corrosion of paint substances. As far as maintenance is concerned, it's built with stainless steel, making it more durable. At number 3. HomeRight C800971. This incredibly well-priced sprayer gives you a massive cost saving with little compromise in features and quality. It is well reviewed and a very popular choice for the home user or G enthusiast. It is even suited to spraying furniture and cabinets. You will find many home improvement professions with the HomeRight C800971, since it is specifically marketed for budget-weary homeowners. It is one of the most cost-friendly paint sprayers on the market. It has a fully adjustable control for fine detail work or larger surfaces, and offers you a choice of spray patterns according to your needs. It comes with a quality brass needle and produces a professional, even finish. This is a newer model from HomeRight, and is an excellent option for those watching their budget. At number 4. Wagner 052901 FLEXiO 890 Stationary HVLP Paint Sprayer. The Wagner 052901 FLEXiO 890 is designed for those with little to no experience with paint spraying. As such, the spray gun is designed to provide everything from assembly, setup, use, and cleaning to be easy and intuitive. Lightweight and with an 11.5-foot air hose, the 890 can be carried around and extended with ease, making it perfectly suited for most home painting projects. Its compact size makes it simple to store. The paint container can hold up to 1.5 cores of paint, with an additional 20 ounces in the detailing cup. The FLEXiO 890 can spray up to 8 gallons per hour, which is plenty of power. As you are only holding the spray gun handle and the unit is on the floor, it keeps things lightweight, while also giving you enough paint to cover an 8 by 10 foot wall in 5 minutes, but with precision control. Wagner sprayers come with their own patented features. The spray nozzle allows you to use unthinned paint with a variety of adjustable spray patterns, and a detail finishing nozzle that is equipped with its own 20-ounce reservoir of paint. With 3 different spray patterns of horizontal, vertical, and round easily adjustable level of air supply via the air control knob. Cleaning your spray gun is quick and simple, without the need for a lot of specialized cleaning tools. At number 5. Earlex HV5500 HVLP Spray Station Paint Sprayer. With a relatively compact and lightweight design, the Earlex HV5500 Spray Station may well suit those who are looking for comfort and portability. It weighs 12 pounds, which is half the weight of many other HVLP paint sprayers on the market. With a 650-watt turbine that generates 2.2 psi, this paint sprayer packs plenty of power for light to medium-duty tasks. The unit itself has storage for the spray gun, as well as a hose, cord and a carry handle. Having everything close at hand makes this a particularly convenient product. We really like the durable spray gun, which has a 2mm stainless steel tip. A clear benefit of opting for the Earlex HV5500 Spray Station is that it offers so much flexibility when working. The spray pattern changing system is quick and easy to use, as is the paint volume control dial and control trigger. For these reasons, you can easily complete a variety of projects with various materials including lacquers, sealers, enamels and more. The hose could be improved as it is prone to becoming disconnected and tangled up. Otherwise, this is a very solid product that also comes with a 2-year limited warranty. It's well worth investigating due to the quality offered for the price. At number 6. Graco Magnum 257,025 Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. It could be considered as one of the most sophisticated Graco paint sprayers in the market. It is also easy to use, and there are quite a few factors which make this possible. It comes with a fully adjustable pressure function. This helps a lot in perfect control of paint flow, irrespective of the size of the project. It also has a high-quality stainless steel piston pump, and it helps to spray on thin paint at high pressure. You also get a flexible suction tube, and this allows to directly spray with the help of either 1-gallon or 5-gallon bucket. You also will be able to make versatile use of the power flush adapter that you hook up to a garden hose for very fast and easy cleaning. It also is one of the few sprayers which comes with a unique rack IV switch tip that allows you to reverse the tip when clogged. The Project Painter Plus 257,025 helps you to keep spraying on a continuous basis. Just attach it to the 50 feet hose, and you will be able to easily reach peaks or even second stories without compromising on performance under any circumstances.